What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another moto vlog. And today I am with a different rider. A very special different rider. You'll find out why shortly. Come along as we go for a ride. First to pick up a part for work, and then after that we don't quite know yet. We're gonna have some fun because I just got word that I may not be able to record tomorrow. So I'm recording this to put out, and hopefully I'll have one for tomorrow as well. So this guy here, his name is Nick. And the reason Mr. Nick is such a special friend to me, to this bike, to this channel, is Mr. Nick actually sold me Black Betty. If it wasn't for Nick, I would not be riding right now. I would not be doing this moto vlog. I wouldn't be talking to you guys, and you wouldn't know about the adventures of Twinkie. It's definitely a beautiful Saturday, and it's definitely a good day to be riding.
Nice how comfortable it is outside right now.
Yeah. Just remember, I can't take some of those turns as fast as you can.
I know. I'm watching.
So apparently at some point last night after I got done work, it rained so bad in our area there was quite a bit more flooding. I gotta say, it seems like there's been a lot of rain activity the past few months. And the funny thing about it all is, even though we've had so much rain, it seems to just be non-existent during the weekends when I want to ride. So it's like really awesome, and I'm like really grateful for that. That's nice.
You know how to wheelie yet?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't think I can wheelie on this bike anyway.
Okay.
I don't think I can.
Yeah, I was gonna say, trust me.
I mean, if I move back, I'm sure I could. Like,
Nah. Even then, dude. That bike's got a lot of power.
yeah, it does have a lot of power.
We're talking about a 1200 cc bike.
This is 15.
Well, 15. How are you on gas?
I filled up before we left.
I still gotta get fuel and something.
All right. Oh man, there's a lot of stone here. Why?
I don't know, man. That's myself to think of.
I swear to God, they've been working on that road back there for the past like 3 years. I don't think it's been quite that long, but they've had that road down to one lane for way too long. I think a lot of people in this area can agree with me on that. Oh man. We are taking a little trip up to the pagoda here in Reading, Pennsylvania. Oh, guess we can't go up there. Yeah, they must have some kind of event.
Well, that's this guy.
Well, I guess, I guess that, invalidates our plans to, ride up to the pagoda today. Don't know where Nick is going now, but, I'll know as soon as you guys know. Oh, man. That is an awesome waterfall right there. Whew. Oh, man.
That's where you used to go to school at.
Huh?
Where you used to go to school at.
Oh! Oh! He used to go to school here. I've never been anywhere near this area. And it's pretty nice, I gotta say. That's a nice log house. That's really nice. Wow. Oh, that's cute. Dumbass. Oh, I know where we're at now. Wow. We're all the way up near Fleetwood. We're pretty sure we're in Ole right now. Mr. Nick needs some fuel to fuel that beast he's riding on. $5 a.m. to 1 p.m. Mother.
Huh?
Deli open 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. They're closed. Did you eat lunch?
Nope.
You want to grab something? Somewhere? Alright. So he's all fueled up. I'm still good to go. We're going to head back down this way to a pizza place and grab some lunch. Haven't eaten there yet, but I guess we'll find out. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Well, we had a great meal, and that's a pretty big storm coming through. It's moving east, so we're gonna head east. We're gonna head towards Boyertown. We're probably gonna get caught in it at some point, but we're trying to minimize exposure. It's a good thing I put my brand new K&N air filter sock, rain sock on.
That's a nasty looking storm.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna feel nice once the wind comes through.
Hell yeah.
That's about it, though.
On 78, I'm fucking ready for that.
So Nick was telling me he bought this R6. He bought it for $1,800. It needs a little bit of work, but overall not a bad bike. Yummy. Oh wow. They got people going around the traffic circle now. barbecue. Let's get some barbecue. Call Bass Fitter for the perfect fit. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Oh, there's the rain. I can feel it. I'm gonna get wet today. Howdy, howdy. I didn't know it was supposed to rain today, and neither did Nick until we were sitting in there eating our pizza. And he goes, he looks at the weather channel and says, "Oh God, that's coming for us." And he turns it over and shows me the radar. I'm like, uh-oh. Thought we were gonna get hit a little harder.
We're gonna get hit eventually.
Yeah.
A little faster, right?
That's alright. Hey, he was respectful about it.
What year? Year. 4.
Dude's nuts. For anybody that doesn't know, we are in Boyertown, obviously. And sun's shining. It's raining just a little bit. Temperature came down a little bit. Actually feels pretty good. Howdy, howdy. Vertical shoes. Good place to get shoes for anybody in the Boyertown area or slightly outside the Boyertown area. We are here at the old site of Zern's Farmers Market. I'm ready whenever you are. So we just stopped here for a quick breather to figure out where we're going. We're going to hit the highway and start heading back towards our areas.
I'm feeling good.
Hey, man! So did I! Oh, that's great. You asked me if I was ready to go fast. I thought you meant faster.
Okay.
I meant faster than that.
Alright. Whoa, what the heck? Glad you liked it.
Back on the home turf coming through Pottstown. Howdy, howdy. We're just having fun. I had some buffalo chicken pizza for lunch. Yeah, I think the buffalo sauce is starting to work. Oh man. Well, it unfortunately looks like Nick will have to ride home in the rain. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm getting wet now. If you guys end up not being able to see, I'm really sorry. But yeah, I'm definitely getting wet. Well, it's a good thing I put my gloves back on. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up today's video right here. We do have a little bit to go yet, but not too far. The problem is, like I said, it's raining, so I don't really think you guys can see anyway. But if you guys liked what you saw, don't forget to leave a like, you know, comment if you want. Hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon notification button. This way you are notified when my next video comes out. Peace.